Today I'll be teaching you guys how we guys can turn off double click to install an iPhone. So that is basically when we go inside App Store and we want to install some app, we just have to double click to verify our identity. So if you don't want to do that, the first thing you need to do is turn it off via setting of your iPhone. So go inside your iPhone setting and scroll all the way down and click on the option called Face ID and Passcode. Once you click on Face ID and Passcode, it's going to ask you to enter the password of your iPhone in order to go further in. So enter the password of your iPhone. After you enter the password, it's going to bring you over here. Now over here where it says iTunes and App Store, make sure the setting of this is off. So mine is already off. So whenever I want to download something, I don't need to double click to verify myself. It'll automatically install. So make sure this setting of yours is also turned off. If it is turned off, you have basically done it. Now you have turned off your double click to install on your iPhone. And if you want to turn it on again, you can just turn this setting on again and your problem should be fixed. It should be on and you're good to go. So I hope you understand how we guys can turn off double click to install an iPhone. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.